Alright, and welcome back to a new video. It's me, Omar Nowick. If you're wondering why my name is Omar Nowick, it's because I trade Nowick candles. So today's trade is sad, guys. It's very sad. Like, you know me, guys. When I take a loss, I don't say sad, right? Like, because I'm a non-emotional trader, blah, 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 all of that shit. But today, it's a sad trade. Like, I'm like, yo, why are you sad, Omar? I'm like, when you know what happened to me, you gotta be like, alright, fair enough. So today, instead of winning $2,000, I ended up actually losing $30, which is nothing, but I don't even know how much I lost. I'm gonna put a screenshot, but it was like small amount, you know what I mean? But it was a tough trade. Like, it's very sad, guys. Like, it's extremely sad. Now, why did that happen? I don't know. Like, probably, or I know, maybe market makers just didn't want me to win, you know what I mean? Or my broker. My broker is watching me and hating on me right now. He's like, yo, I ain't making no money. So basically, TP hit on TradingView, but it didn't hit on MT5. I think it's because, or not I think, it's because of spreads. Although I have extreme low spreads, you know what I mean? Like, because my account size is big, so I have a deal with them. Like, I don't need to pay commission, and I still get very, like, extreme low spreads. But, like, sometimes zero. Of course, it depends on the pair, it depends on the time. Like, if you're in the, let's say, gap hour, spreads hour, then okay, it can go a bit big, but or like for market closer and all of this, yeah, I get it. But today this was like very unfortunate because it hit take profit on TradingView, but never did on MT5. But that's alright. That's alright. It is what it is. It's part of the game. It shouldn't be part of the game though. I know now future traders gonna come here and be like, yo, we don't got spreads. I know. I chill out. I still trade Forex. Maybe one day I'll move to futures. Who knows? And I know some people been making money. Like, some people I know, they've been making money from futures, but it is what it is. It is what it is. But I mean, I don't know if I want to. Like, yeah, maybe I would. We'll see. We'll see. What do you guys think? Do you trade futures or Forex? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Anyway, let me skip the yapping and actually get into work. Because I know you guys itching. Yo, Omar, what happened with you? I want to see the trade recap. Yo, I could have made money. Why? Wait, chill out. And actually, it's funny because someone talked to me today about, I don't know why I put my mic here. Like, I genuinely, there's no reason, you know? Like, it's not like, genuinely no reason. Because I could clip it. I have a magnet. I just like to put it here, right? Because someone asked me today, and you know what? I'm just yapping. Let me skip yapping and actually get into work. So, we're in a clear bullish trend, right? We had a clear bullish trend. Let me draw it properly. Stop being lazy. Boom, boom, boom. Right? When we got this bullish trend here, I was like, all right, cool. We got a bullish trend. We're chilling, billing, time killing. Cool. So I was like, all right. Here, first time I got a notification on my TradingView was here on my phone about this no weekend. I was like, all right, cool. If price retraces back there, I'm gonna enter buys. Price never did, so I was like, all right, cool. We're not gonna force it. And then I got another notification here. I was like, man, this is not valid or whatsoever. When a clear uptrend, a no-wick candle showed up, a bearish no-wick candle showed up. So I was like, there's no point of trying, right? So then this one came. A bullish no-wick candle and a bullish trend. Imagine, guys, you know this. You already know this. For people who not understanding what I'm talking about, that means you haven't watched the strategy video, so make sure to go check it out. I'm gonna put the link in the description or at the end of this video as well. It's very simple strategy. You will probably understand it just from watching this video, but still, if you want to learn in depth, go watch that. All right. So when this happened, I was like, cool. Let me put a buy limit here. Stop loss in the most recent higher low, and take profit 1-to-1. Now, as you guys know me, or let me show you when I was filled here. Pause. My order got filled here. So, for the ones who know me, I always say this. This is the higher low right here, right? I always like to leave some breathing room, just cause. For some reason, I left this much breathing room. Like, it wasn't much, but I just left this much breathing room. I didn't leave much because I was like, in case we go and draw down, I know this no wick right here is gonna protect me. Like this one, price is gonna reject from it. That's why I wasn't worried too much about the breathing room. Because usually I'll leave 1 to 2 pips breathing room, but this time, like it was random. You guys told me be transparent. I'm being transparent right now. Today's stop loss breathing room was just random. I just like, I was on a rush. I saw it, like, cool, let me just give it some breathing room. So that's how it was. So, bullish trend, bullish no wick candle showed up with no bottom wick, waited for price, retrace there, entered buys, stop loss at the most recent higher low, and take profit 1 to 1. That's it, guys. That's literally all I did. And look what happens after. Price playing, I don't care. Boom, here we stop. Wait, let me go back. Boom. We hit TP exactly on the fucking dot, guys. Look at this beauty. On the dot. It's not beauty. At this point, it's the beauty and the beast. I'm not the beast, though. Tap my TP on the dot, right? Now, here I was like, cool. This didn't get registered on MT5. So I was like, you know what, Omar? Don't stress about it, because eventually price is just going to go back and tap it, right? Price started going down here. I was like, fuck, man. What should I do? Should I just close? Or what should I do? Like, I was being emotional here, not gonna lie to you. Like, imagine hitting your take profit and then not getting your money. You know what I mean? So I was becoming emotional. And then I'm traveling right now. I'm in the Philippines right now. And I'm just traveling, like, people who've been watching me know I've been traveling through Thailand, Malaysia, Philippines, and like many cities in each place, in each country. And I'm traveling with my boy, like with my friend. And he is also a trader. He trades no wick candles. I was like, yo, bro, what should I do here? Because he didn't take this because he was like, I don't know why he didn't take it. I don't think like he saw it. But yeah, he was driving. And when he came back, I was like, yo, bro, what should I do here? He's like, yo, you know what, Omar, you're being emotional right now. In my opinion, you should just, because you don't want to take dumb decision, right? Because now, if I want to let it play, this is technically a good trade. Like, sorry, it's not a good trade anymore because it already played out. It already did give us the 1 to 1. Now, some of you are going to be like, yeah, you do get 1 to 2, 1 to 3 sometimes with these kind of setups. I know, but me personally, I just trade 1 to 1. So why would I break one of my rules, right? So he's like, bro, you're being emotional. Just move stop loss to break even. And whatever happens, happens. Either we hit take profit or you hit break even. Like, you're not going to lose any money. And price here came back and teased me for the second time. That's the funny part. But yeah, it never did. It never ended up hitting my TP again. For some reason, price just decided to boop. And here I could have closed for the ones who are gonna be like, yo, technically after this, because this is technically a higher low, after we close below it, you could have, cashed out some money. I could have, that's true. But that would have been what? 0.3 R, so it's not even worth it. Like, money-wise, dollar-wise, I don't want to flex on you or anything. Like, it is a lot of money, Like, that would have been like $600, which is amazing. But, like, I would be not following my rules. You know what I mean? Like, rules are made to be followed, not to be broken. I know. So, yeah, here, after this kind of close like this, I just closed my trade. It was super, super, super small money, but it's all right. And then lucky me, actually not lucky me, thanks to my friend that told me, yo, close this shit at break even, stop being emotional, because it's not valid anymore. Like, actually, I genuinely wanted to hold it longer, but it's not valid because it already gave us the effect. Like, once, like, the no wick candle gave us the effect. You can see 0 drawdown, 1 to 1. It did its job. Job finished. Like Kobe Bryant said. Kobe Bryant said job not finished. But it did hit, like, basically, the job of this no wick candle was to give me this exact move. And it did. So now I can't blame it for anything that happens. Like, now it's here. It's like flipping a coin. It's a 50-50% chance of working out. Actually, it's a bit even lower because we closed below here. So technically the market is shifting to a downtrend, right? Like, after we close below this higher low, we're low-key switching to a downtrend. So yeah, lucky me, I did close a break even. And here I was having some FOMO when I was seeing this shit. And you guys know me, like, after I enter a trade, I usually, like, you know, if I close break even or take profit or stop loss, I don't watch it. I was watching the charts here. And yeah, price again came very close. And then I think it was news, and it would have hit my stop loss. So yeah, that's it pretty much. And then we got this weird no wick candle working out. Although we're technically in an uptrend. I didn't take this one because actually this is also a lesson, you know, so you can benefit something from this video. The way I see this is, you see, this is how I see the downtrend, and after we broke here, I would see, okay, we're low-key switching to an uptrend. So after we tapped it, I wouldn't take it. Like, I wouldn't say, yeah, we're in a downtrend. And yeah, if I had just decided to hold this trade, it would have been a loss. And I don't know why, guys, like, I swear, I'm genuinely confused, like, why was it coming very close to my TP every single time and not hitting my TP? But anyway, lucky me, I closed the trade at break even. And yeah, that's it pretty much. Either ways, I don't want to hold the trade for this long. Like, how long is that? That's very long. Wait, pause. It's like this. How many? That would have been like 1 to 11. It would have been like 10 hours. So I don't want to hold the trade for 10 hours. Most of my trades hit take profit or stop loss in 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, you know. I don't want to hold the trade for 10 hours. So it's alright. Now, some of y'all might count this as a loss because, or not you guys, but like in my brain, I count this as a loss. You know what I mean? Because here, at this point, I was up probably around, it was $1,990. So when I see this, I'm like, ah, shit, like I'm in good profit. And now when I close that break even, I ended up with zero. Actually minus, I don't know, $30. But just to keep my psychology good, I'ma forget about what happened. I'ma think about it this way, as if I didn't take the trade. And yeah, that's me being completely transparent with you guys. Like, I'm being completely honest with you. That's what happened. I know I could have just came here and like, yeah, I won this trade and I made this much, but that's not me. Like, that's not me as a human before being as a trader, you know? Me as a human, I wouldn't want to, because I know some of y'all probably have taken this, and maybe some of y'all have got emotional and closed here, for example. Some of y'all maybe, I don't know if this is news, but let's say if this is news, you would have closed here or here. Some of y'all would have hit stop loss. So that's why I don't want to come and be like, yeah, I hit to win. Because imagine I say, yo, I won on this trade and one of y'all lost here. That's not fair, right? Or if I say, yeah, I lost, and some of y'all then look at me like, yo, you dumb. Why did you lose? I won. So that's the truth. I didn't win. I didn't lose. If you want to count to $30 loss, a loss. Okay, cool. But yeah, that's it pretty much. I don't want to yap too much. If you have any questions, hit me up on IG. If you don't know the strategy properly, watch and put the link in the description or here. Watch the video. And what else? Make sure to follow me on IG, subscribe, hit me up on IG if you got any questions. I do reply, by the way. And yeah, that's it pretty much. It was nice talking to y'all. I swear I feel like you're all my therapy, because now after after I post this, I'm gonna go eat, and then in 1 hour I'm gonna be like, yo, let me check what the people said. And yeah, I'm gonna be uploading some nice videos soon. Stay tuned. And I don't want to promise you about the stream yet, because I have a lot of stuff I need to do, like a lot of recordings, a lot of stuff. But stay tuned. That's all I gotta say. Stay tuned. Alright. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.